Conley. I work within the Education and Research Unit, where I'm responsible for mandatory training for our clinical staff. Courage means to me that it enables us to do the right thing for the people we care for, to speak up when we have concerns or worries, to have the strength to embrace new ways of working. Courage also gives us the ability to speak up when compassion is not shown or when patient or staff safety are at risk. Courage is an important value because without courage, you can't practice the other values consistently. Courage every time I come to work in each and every member of the nursing staff who are all working in a busy, stressful environment, and they keep coming back the next day and the day after that and do it all over again. The courage for me equals hero.
My name's Abby. I'm an occupational therapist and I'm currently working in our community rehabilitation team. I really love the quality of excellence, and I think it's something that we demonstrate really readily here at North East Health Wangaratta in all of our services and all of our service provision. I think excellence is our ability to care for our patients and our community members by providing the best quality care, the best quality of services that we can provide. I think something that we do so well at North East Health is that we continue to strive to provide evidence-based practice that meets quality standards and meets the care needs of our community. And I think that's just a fantastic thing that we demonstrate here at North East Health, from our support service teams through to our clinical teams through to our governance teams. And I think because it drives our teams, it is promoting some of the best quality care for our patients in our region. It's hard to think of one time in particular. I think that's probably the thing that really strikes me, is that every day we're seeing excellence demonstrated within our workforce here at North East Health. I think I really love the motto that we are caring for every patient every time here at North East Health Wangaratta, and I think this is a great demonstration of our continued striving for excellence in our patient care. I think particularly in the last 12 months we've really seen our clinical teams come together. There has been a lot of change with this COVID period, but we have seen some of the greatest initiatives come together to promote best quality patient care that we have seen in the last probably 10 years. We've been developing lots of new clinical guidelines, new practices, so that our patients are receiving the best quality care. And I think it's a real credit to our teams who are committed to excellent practice and committed to patient care, that even though we've had some really challenging and really different circumstances to work with in the last 12 and 24 months, we've still been able to make sure that we're putting the patient at the centre of our care and their families and our community, and we're continuing to strive to see them do the best they possibly can. And we've got some absolutely phenomenal team members who are working on really innovative and really creative ways that we can provide this quality of care to our patients and staff. So I'm really excited for the future of North East Health. I'm excited for what our teams are doing and some of these really key outliers in our service that are continuing to provide this high quality care that is just second to none. So we are providing the best quality of care for every patient every time here at North East Health.
I'm Rachel and I work in food services. Fairness means being treated equally and no one is left out. I've seen fairness within the workplace, with the food services staff always being there to ensure quality, nutritious food is delivered to both patients and staff.
I'm a pharmacist at North East Health and I'm currently on the ICU and Kerford rotation. with a little bit of pre-admission clinic mixed in there too. Integrity to me involves honesty and doing the right thing. It's usually quite a moment to think about the wider community, and it also involves selfless actions, in my opinion. I think there's so many points in time that I've noticed my colleagues working with integrity. It usually involves patient-centred care and making sure that we follow policies and procedures and conduct actions that ensure that we provide safe and effective healthcare.
And I've worked at dental for many years now, and yeah, we provide a great service at the dental clinic. It's a great place to work. So kindness in our line of work is listening, it's showing empathy, it's taking time to understand our patients' needs. Often people coming to the dentist feel quite anxious, so it's just spending time and trying to make them as comfortable in our environment as we can. I see kindness in our workplace every day. We really go out of our way to have a workplace that people are comfortable to come to. We like to spend the time with our patients, and we want them to come back. We try to provide a really nice environment, and we try and listen and be understanding, and we love our patients.
So my name is Nathan Willoughby. I'm the Director of Nursing here at the Allura Aged Care Facility around here in College Street. I've been involved in aged care for quite a while now, and this is the fourth place that I've worked as a senior manager, and love it. Love the fact that you get to know people, that the old days of surgical nursing where people would come in and be gone the next time you came back on shift, meeting people and being able to have that long-term connection with them is something that's really important. So respect to me is something that is always given, and I would say a lack of respect would come from breaking that trust and the respect that you give at the start. It's something that should be inherent to every person that you meet, that everyone has their own unique story, their own unique identity, and providing that to everyone you come across is really important at the start of a relationship. I think for me, the best example I've ever seen of respect, and something that I've lived up to ever since, is that when you're with someone, you're present with them at the time. We get heaps of distractions, whether it be from phones or mobiles or call bells and what have you. And it's been something that I've really strived to do better, and that is to be present with someone for the entire time they're with you. Phones can leave messages, and if it's really urgent, they'll ring back. And I think that that's really important to convey to someone, that if you're taking the time to meet with them, that you respect that and ensure that you're giving them your full attention.